Hello everyone, this is Sumitra. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be discussing about how to maintain and promote early childhood education during this pandemic. Early childhood education is the foundation for lifelong learning. It aims at holistic development of the child. Simply put, early childhood education helps the child to gain the necessary academic, social and emotional skill. So, during this pandemic situation, how we can preserve our child's early childhood education? So, first thing, what we can do, enroll your child for online or homeschooling education. Make sure your child is getting high quality of education, whether online or offline. It's the most important priority for parents as it impacts the child's learning ability. This has been viable substitute for toddlers to avoid the zero learning year. But many of the parents are thinking like my child is too young to attend the online program. My child is not sitting in one place, how I can enroll for the online session? Parents, believe me, when you are sitting beside your child and you are following the instruction as per the educator, your child also start following you within 15 or 1 month of time. He will automatically get adjusted to the online learning program. So this is all about the pre-academic education of the child. But what about their social and emotional education, emotional behavior? What we can do for that? So first thing we can involve them for household chores. What are the household chores they can do? You can ask your child to water the plant when you are also doing the same. Don't forget, like when you are asking the child to do anything, any activity, you are also involved in doing that activity. You can ask your child to wash vegetables for you. You can ask means when you are folding the clothes, you just give some clothes, you can give their clothes to fold. In this way the child can learn the life skill. Now the second thing we can do, encourage conversation. Yes, whole day we cannot sit with our child for to talk. At least means 15 to 20 minutes of time we can sit down with our child for focused activity, like it can be coloring, it can be solving puzzles, or it can be like playing with their favorite toys, like with their doll or car or with kitchen set, and behave like a child and listen to your child what they want you to do. Encourage the conversation. It should not be like one way interrogation, and make sure just create the space that your child will feel like talking. So these are the things we can do for the to improve, to promote, or to preserve our child's education, social and emotional behavior. Now the most important concern of parents, how I can reduce my child's screen timing. Because just think, parents just think from their perspective. They are cut off from the outer world, they are not going out, they are not meeting with their friends, and even they are not going to the school, and from everywhere, means it is like they cut off from the outer world. So how many options left for them? So they definitely find the easiest way to entertain themselves. Minimize the screen time. We cannot completely take off the screen time, but yes, we can minimize the screen time. So what we can do, fix a screen time. When, how and what you want your child to watch. That is the that is the most important thing. So when you want your child to watch screen, Means make sure it should not be their meal time, eating time, because when you are giving the child a screen during their meal time, the child means forget like he's don't feel like he's eating. He keeps the food for longer time in his mouth. Otherwise, what does he do? He does not feel the taste. If you ask after 5 minutes, what did you eat today? He can't answer you because his focus was not there. So he cannot answer like what did he have today. So make sure you are not giving the screen during the meal time. The child will forget the taste of food, means what he's eating, how does it taste like, if you'll ask. So make sure you are not giving your child the screen during their meal time. Then how much you want your child to watch screen. So this is the most important thing. Suppose you want your child to watch screen 1 hour or 1.5 hour per day. So instead of giving the screen for longer time, or instead of giving the screen at a stretch for 1 hour, just break the screen time into 2 or 3 halves. Suppose you are giving the screen at 11 o'clock for 30 minutes, then afternoon 30 minutes, and evening time 30 minutes. In that way, the child will not occupy with the screen. Okay, now the next thing, what content you want your child to watch. Okay, so stick to some channels like rhymes, stories, or some cartoon channels from which your child can improve his communication skill, and restrict to other channel. Okay, so what happens, like in this way we can rest assured like, yes, my child is learning, growing, and developing. So follow these tips and let me know, is this helpful for you or not. And I hope it is helpful for you. This video will definitely helpful for you. Follow these tips and we'll see you next time. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.